Hello everyone, welcome to Shy Guy Review. In today's video, I like to talk about a newly launched awesome product, Content Genie. Content Genie is created by Kelchi Monu and his team. This software made by artificial intelligence, it creates 100% original content to your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram as well. And you can create content for your blogs and websites too. Before I started, I warn you, this Content Genie software is only available in their official website. To make your search easier, I give the official link in the description. Go and check it out. Let's get started. Well, Content Genie is a content making software. In this software, you can schedule your 365 days of content and you can create your own content for social medias and your blogs. This Content Genie has some additional features. For example, you can create your content within a second like instant content, social media friendly, auto scheduling and posting, full cloud based. You not need to download anything or install. It's fully cloud based and it's a beginner friendly and you can get a bonus commercial license included. How this Content Genie works? How can you make awesome content within 60 seconds? Let me show you.
Assistant. All you have to do is put in the keyword or phrase, and Content Genie will generate 100% original content for you within a few seconds. Next, you have to decide if you want to post this content on social media or WordPress. Let's go with social media. You can now customize your content, add campaign name and images. You can also generate related hashtags for more traffic. After customizing, you have to select which social media platform you want to publish to. Content Genie automatically publishes to Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. For Facebook, you can publish directly to all the pages and groups you manage. Next, you have to select if you want to publish your content instantly, schedule it for later, or save it as a draft. Within a few seconds, Content Genie is going to publish your post to all your social media platforms instantly.
Come take a look at some additional leading features packed inside this Content Genie. In this Content Genie, you can get a Siri style content writing and you get a video discovery and repurposing, and you can get an awesome article discovery and repurposing. It means you can discover the most trending articles using its keyword or entering the article's URL in this Content Genie search box and repurpose the content for your social medias or blog post. And you can get an eBook converter, and you can get a speech to text AI. This engine is used for artificial intelligence to auto transcribe the live speech to content for your social media and blog post. You can get a blog post editor. You can customize your blog and images and videos and text backgrounds, colors, future images. You can edit and make this more convenient to your visitors. And you can get a social media post editor, and you can get content planner. You can plan and schedule the posting for all of your social media accounts and blog content for next 3 years. That's a huge number, right? Yeah. You can view the planner calendar by day, month and year. Organize your content goal with more efficient in this Content Genie. And other awesome feature, you can get a Google ranker. Content Genie generates a content that is already optimized as per the latest search engines algorithms and requirements. So your post and blogs get seen by millions across the world and you made $1 million. And with this content feature, you can get a free commercial license including only today. Content Genie come with days money back guarantee, but take a limited time offer. You can get Content Genie for very low one time price in my link in this description. You buy this product today itself, you can get the 3 awesome bonuses. Let me show what are they. You can get free commercial license for this content genie, and you can get AI video script writer. You can write your own script for your videos and your blogs. And Facebook fan inviter app. This app will automatically invite everyone who liked your Facebook page's posts. Module 1 is Content Genie personal is $34 and Content Genie commercial is $49. In Content Genie commercial you can get a free commercial license, but in Content Genie personal you can only get a personal license as well. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Have any questions? Comment down below, maybe I can help you. Again, I warn you, this Content Genie software is only available in Content Genie official website. To make your search easier, I give the official website link in the description. Go ahead and buy the product through my link and you get special awesome bonuses. That's it guys. Have a great week. Bye bye.